Okay, I'm here with this beautiful fellow dungaree wearer. What's your name and where do you come from?
I'm Johnny from Cultúrlann.
Johnny has Cultúrlann, and what are you doing here in WCT Tattoo?
We're basically doing this. It's like we're sort of playing on the shipyard heritage of the country, like or the city even, and we're playing drums with a big boat and oil barrels and everything else. So we're trying to keep we're trying to keep as many drums out of it as possible. So most of it is just like metal rivets, barrels, and oil barrels and oil drums and everything.
There's nothing else like this on this island, and the number of performers and the international guests that we have here. And you were right, yes, it is traditional, but tried with a twist. We do things a wee bit different here.
I hear your name's Jordan, you're from London. Tell me about yourself. What are you doing here?
We're at the London Derry Tattoo. We're going to be doing some different stunts. We're involving loads of little kids and then the older lot behind you. Just entertaining the crowds, doing pyramids, tricks and jumps.
Do you think this is going to be the pinnacle of Music City?
Absolutely. I mean, there's people from all aspects, all walks of life here. This is what it's all about. You know, people come together to play music, to entertain other people. That has to be the way forward.
Being clacked to Jerna Higtalig on couple of Bomacha, the final dress rehearsal is just about to start. So if you don't want to spoil the show, this is a spoiler alert. Look away now. Doon the Hudge Zulia.